welcome to my channel Florida Tech. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest notification. So today our topic is what is an MPC wallet in Zengo Wallet 2024. TLDR, not your keys, not your coins, has resulted in over $100 billion lost or stolen since the reality of 2010s to Zengo is the leading MPC wallet that secures over 1 million customers. Check it out and read the article. Description will be given in the description box. Link will be given in the description box. And not your keys, not your crypto. Outdated. The mantra of not your keys, not your crypto is as powerful today as it was in 2017, but the result lost and stolen seed phrases, misplaced private keys, stress for new users, and a flight to safety exchanges and crypto banks. An estimated over $100 billion of bitcoins, just Bitcoin, has been lost forever because for private key mismanagement. As a community, crypto has been dogmatically clinging to a purported private key gold standard, more obsessed about the technology than providing what people actually need. MPC is a solution that already exists. Recently championed by companies like Coinbase and Zengo, the simple and secure MPC technology is already being used at the institutional level. Companies like Fireblocks are helping custody billions of dollars of crypto assets with MPC cryptography. It is time average users get the same bulletproof security as the big players, and developers understand the security benefits of MPC to onboard more crypto users. The farce the farce dichotomy, centralized exchange versus non-custodial wallets. For years, the status quo perpetuate a dangerous misconception. There are only two ways to store crypto. This false dichotomy is what so many potential crypto enthusiasts have not started to get involved in the ecosystem. Option number one, exchanges, and option number two is self custody with private keys. Option number one, exchanges mean that custody crypto assets is a centralized exchange giving up freedom, control, and on-chain access in return for relative security, simplicity, and comfort, knowing someone else will worry about secure crypto storage. Option 2 is self-custody with private keys, like use an on-chain crypto wallets with private keys, rendering assets vulnerability to scammers, hacks, loss, or misplaced keys past, knowing you have ultimate control over your crypto to store, hodl, or loss. There is actually a better way, a hybrid solution in the form of a type of cryptography called MPC, or multi-party computation. What is MPC and how does it work? MPC stands for Secure Multi-Party Computation and is a field of cryptography born 30 years ago. Generally, MPC allows two or more parties to jointly compute a function output without revealing their inputs. For example, using MPC, a group of friends can securely calculate their average salary output without revealing how much each of them gets inputs. Specifically for cryptocurrency wallets, MPC allows the creation of a secure key management system without a single points of failure. The proverbial private key, in which multiple parties, for example, a remote server and a mobile phone, can jointly perform all needed cryptographic functions like key generation, transaction signature, and transaction verification. While neither of the parties reveal their respective secrets, it is important to highlight that in MPC, a single private key is never generated, split, or reconstructed in the process. This makes it superior to traditional model based on a single private key. And the next are the personal shares, remote share, personal share, and remote share signs TX for the blockchain. By implementing this type of MPC technology, consumer focused wallets and institutional services can securely design an on-chain assets management system that removes the single point of failure to of a private key. This offers a more secure self-custodial option by protecting against both private key theft, as there is no single private key to steal, and key loss, as each party can back up their secret input individually in a way that does not expose and compromise the entire system. This design offers a number of advantages like easy to recover, no single points of failure for phishing, entirely users control, and much more. And here is the end of our topic. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest video notifications. Thanks for watching.